Hello and welcome to Vanwise. My name is Taj and this is our Citroen Dispatch. The vehicle is a medium wheelbase. I'll take you through the interior and the exterior of the vehicle and hopefully we can showcase what we could offer. Let's go. The vehicle will come with daytime running lights as well as the remaining manufacturer's warranty from the date of registration, as well as breakdown. The vehicle does come with a sliding door on either side and the vehicle is ULEZ compliant. On the passenger side of the vehicle, we do have the fuel tank. The vehicle also does have a Euro 6 engine. And on the rear bumper, parking sensors have also been applied. We do offer competitive finance rates as well as gap protection for our vehicles. We have the rear of the vehicle here, which does come with a solid bulkhead. And we do have the spare tyre here, with a additional hatch that drops down, which offers more length from the cab to the passenger footwell. The length from the bulkhead to the rear doors is 210 centimeters, with a width between the wheel arches of 125 centimeters. And this is the view of the hatch once opened. Takes you right the way through to the passenger footwell, just from this blue lever here. Once this is dropped down, we do have an additional area where you can make notes if needed. And storage just underneath the seat as well. We do have a armrest available for the driver. We do have a entertainment system with a built-in navigation and Bluetooth connectivity, as well as DAB radio and Apple CarPlay and Android Assist. We do have the climate control, including the aircon just underneath that, with your heated mirror option as well. And we do have a central locking area for the whole of the vehicle and for just the rear cab. And we have your 12V charge port and USB port here. And the vehicle does come with a 6-speed gear stick. Here's your glove compartment. We do have the manual pack for the vehicle also, and just a little storage space just underneath. And here's the steering wheel for the vehicle. We do have cup holders across the dash, as well as a storage space. Just underneath the steering wheel, we do have the cruise control option. And you can adjust your side mirrors and windows from the driver's door. And we do have storage in the door well. You can adjust the seat from the right hand side. And this was our Peugeot Expert, medium wheelbase. My name was Taj. Thanks again for your inquiry and hopefully we can hear from you soon. Have a good day.